So in this video, I'm doing best time to buy and sell a stock. You are given an array prices, where prices at I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and then choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay. So, okay, so basically I need to return the maximum profit by choosing the lowest possible value on the left and then the highest possible value on the right. Okay, so basically this is kind of a sliding window approach. I think. Yeah. So, okay, so basically the first thing I need to do is I need to get the first smallest value. So I need to so basically if it's starting at one point and it keeps, I just need to get the smallest value. So in this case I'll get 1. In this case it would just be 7. So I'll keep incrementing until I get the smallest first value. So until while it keeps decreasing, I'll get the smallest value. So once I'm at the current smallest value, I need to find the next. I need to find the next value after this value, so the higher value. So once I'm at this initial value, I need to get the next highest value. And then once I'm at that, I will calculate the difference. And then basically, I need to say that until I have reached the end of this array, I'm going to keep incrementing my right side. If the okay, if the right side is greater than the if the right side is greater than the like previous, if the right side is greater than the previous greatest, then I need to recalculate the difference and then potentially replace the highest difference. Otherwise, if the next value is smaller than the lowest, then I need to make that the next lowest value. Otherwise, I'll just keep going. And then at the end, I will simply return what I have stored as the current highest value. I think that makes sense to do it that way. So let me just think about how I'm going to code this out. So we will have int max profit equals 0. Okay, and then now let's say int buy day and then int sell day. Okay, now for now okay, actually first we'll just say int buy day equals prices at 0 while okay, now let's say int next equals 1 while prices at 0, while by day is smaller than while by day is greater than prices at next, by day equals prices at next, and then next plus plus, then we increment next plus plus. Yeah, okay, so so now we have our smallest value, so we know that the value after this is going to be greater. So then we'll say next counter, we'll just call this car. Okay, so now we can say int sell day equals int sell day equals prices at car. Okay, so now we can say profit while buy day is greater than prices at car. And actually, we just need to make sure that while buy day is greater than prices at car, is greater, and car is smaller than prices dot length. So here, okay, so while buy day is greater than prices of car and car is smaller than prices dot length, buy day equals prices at car plus plus sell day equals prices at car. Okay, because I'm incrementing it. Okay, so sell day equals prices at car. Now profit, max profit equals sell day minus buy day. So now, sorry, let me just fix. Okay, so now, while car is smaller than, okay, actually we can, okay, so now, okay, so now, okay, sorry, let's say while car is smaller than prices dot length, okay, while car is smaller than prices dot length, while car is smaller than prices dot length, we can say that if prices at car is greater than sell day, then sell day equals prices at car, and then we can say max profit equals math dot max max profit sell day minus buy day, sell day minus buy day. Okay, so this is it. Okay, otherwise, else if prices at cur is smaller than buy day, then we simply say that buy day equals prices at car, and then finally we say we increment car. Okay, and now here we simply return max profit. Okay, so int okay, so let's just walk through and make sure we're doing this right. So max profit equals 0. Int buy day, so buy day is just the first day. Current equals 1 just after the buy day. So while buy day is greater than prices at so while the value of the buy day is greater than the current day, then we're going to make current day the new buy day. So we're getting this, we're buying on the smallest day basically. As long as car remains between, okay, prices at length. Okay, then sell day equals prices at car. But actually first let me just if car equals at length, then we can just return max profit, so return 0 in the case that we are now at the end of the array and there's like the buy day is the last one here and there's no occurrence where it ever is greater. Then we just return max profit. Otherwise, sell day is this next day. Max profit becomes sell day minus buy day. Okay, so that's our initial max profit. And then while while car smaller than, okay, and then here we can do car plus plus. So next day, while car smaller than prices at length. So if it's like if car is now equal to prices at length, we won't even enter this loop. But if we do, then if prices at car is greater than the current sell day, then we will sell on that day instead. So sell day, new sell day becomes prices at car, and then we calculate the next max profit, which we don't necessarily need to do that. I think it will always be greater than what we currently have, but we might as well just calculate it here. So the maximum of the current max profit and sell day minus buy day, so this new difference. Otherwise, if prices at car is smaller than our current buy day, meaning that it's a cheaper day to buy on, then we simply say that okay, this is supposed to be equal here, so buy day equals prices at car, and then we increment car and then we return max profit. Okay, let's give this a run. I think the logic seems sound to me. Okay. Okay, while buy day is greater than prices at car, and car is smaller than prices dot length. Okay, so problem is while buy day is smaller than prices at car, Okay. If by I'm just gonna do this a different way. If by day is smaller than prices at cur, then we can simply break out of this original loop, and then we can just do while here. So now this is saying that while car is smaller than prices at length, if by day is smaller than prices at car, meaning if the buy day is smaller than the day that comes after, meaning that there is a valid sell day, then we simply break out of this while loop. Yeah, otherwise we keep on incrementing car and calculating the new buy day. Okay, just a syntax error here. Okay, there we go. It worked for our test cases. Let's try it for everything. Okay, so looks like there is a couple edge cases because we're passing 200 out of 212. So let's see this case. So buy at 1, buy at 0, sell at 2 should be the answer. Problem is probably that we're not looking at the last one, so it's just saying 0, 1. Okay, so let's look at while car is smaller than prices dot length. If prices at car is greater than sell day equals prices at car. So I wonder why we're not looking at the last one here too. Prices at car is, well, okay, so I think that the problem is that, let's say the maximum sell day is this, and this becomes 0. We're not actually ever recalculating this because interesting. Once we change the buy day, then we don't need to hold the sell day to the same condition that it has to be greater than the old sell day, because if the okay, so I think that actually if I just remove this condition here, then it doesn't matter if we apply sell day every time because we're still doing this check here. So let's, okay, sell day equals prices at cur, max profit. Okay, yeah, I think this way is fine because now we're checking every single one, every single possible sell day, because the sell day doesn't need to just be getting higher and higher as long as the buy day is lower. Okay, there you go. So yeah, this here fixed it. Runtime is fine, so yeah, it looks good.